Hey everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to show you how to track email open rates in ActiveCampaign in 2026. To get started, log into your ActiveCampaign account on your PC, and from the main dashboard, click on Campaigns in the left-hand menu to see a list of all your sent emails. Click on any campaign to open the reporting dashboard, where you will see your open rate displayed prominently at the top as a percentage showing exactly how many recipients opened your email. Scroll down to the engagement section to view a list of every contact who opened the email along with the date and time they opened it, which helps you identify your most engaged subscribers. To track open rates across multiple campaigns, click on Reports in the left-hand menu, then select Campaign Reports to see a side-by-side comparison of open rates for all your recent emails, allowing you to spot trends and see which subject lines performed best. If you want to track open rates in real time for a campaign that is still sending, click on the Live Feed tab to see opens as they happen right down to the minute. You can also use ActiveCampaign's automation reporting by clicking on Automations, then selecting any active automation and clicking the Activity tab to see open rates for individual emails within your workflow. To get even deeper insight, click on the gear icon within any campaign report and enable click mapping to see which links received the most engagement alongside your open rate data. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.